Hey everyone, it's Lora the Beauty Buster, and today I'd like to talk to you about how do I take care of my lash extensions. So now you spent a lot of money on getting these beautiful lashes. They're fluffy, they're full, you look 10 years younger, and then you go home and they all fall out, or they get clumpy, or you don't know what you're doing, or you get a week out of them and then they don't look good anymore. So today let's talk about how to take care of your lashes so they last. I only use Xtreme products. That's what I've been using since about 2007. So you know that, and I really know the products very well, and I've seen so many fads come and go and so many companies, and I have found Xtreme glue and their training to be the best bar none. Everybody has their favorites, and that's fine, there's no argument, but for me, in my humidity levels and my technique that I adapt for myself, Xtreme seems to be the best, and my clients have said that this glue with Xtreme is the best that they've ever had. Is not a lot of tearing, not a lot of burning, and I can count on one hand the reactions I have had in the last, since 2007. So let's get started. The most important thing, clients always want to argue that they use face wipes, and because they're using it on their face, not their eyes, it's not ruining the lashes. After all these years, I can tell you it is. So the most important thing in your home care is to not get them wet for at least 24 to 48 hours, depending on the glue. You definitely want to be very careful with oils around the face because they will dissolve the glue. The glue is dissolved by oil. And you want to also make sure that you are sleeping on your back. That is difficult for a lot of people. Not everyone can do it, but the more you can, the better it is. Sleeping on your back, put a little roll around your neck and then put something under your knees. That will give you a lot of support for your lower back. And I'm telling you, your back will feel better, your neck will feel better, and your lashes will last longer. I also sell satin pillowcases for the side sleepers or stomach sleepers because that really helps as well. If you have hair extensions in, that's a great one. Or if you have really curly hair or trying to preserve that blowout, definitely a satin pillowcase. So a lot of people do use wipe. I'm shocked how many women use face wipes or makeup wipes. Never, ever, ever, ever. So first of all, you never want to do that for your skin. It's disgusting. It's gross. If you're on a desert island, okay. But really, do not ever use face wipes. I don't care what they say if they're oil-free. By FDA standards, you only have to have 70% oil-free product to say you are oil-free. That 30% is the killer and will mess up your lashes. So definitely just don't even go there. Throw them out. Use them on your butt. I don't care. Use them as hand wipes. It doesn't matter. Never, ever, ever your face. You're basically just pushing all of your day's gunk, makeup, everything into your pores. That's not cleaning. That's just like nothing. And it's kind of gross, and your lashes hate it. So a lot of people say, well, I only do it on my face, not around my lashes or my eyes. This is the rule. Don't believe me. I don't care. This is what I've seen after so many years. If it is on your face, it is on your lashes. There is no way around it. So now that I've said that, I've cleared the air, there is no confusion. Never wipes, ever. Don't be using oils around your eyes, really, and then be very, very careful about any oils on your face. You just have to really let me know. And some people can have a little bit more leeway than others for some reason. Some people's lashes just stay no matter what they do. Like I am the worst at taking care of my lashes, but they stay, so I'm like a little bit spoiled no matter what I do. I think I've cried every time I've ever gotten lashes that night, so they're all wet, and I don't know why, but they stay. Even when I go to trainings, someone who's never done it before, they work on me, my lashes stay. I'm one of those lucky people. Some people, they just sweat a lot, and there's oil in our sweat, and that makes them come off faster. So if you are really working out hard, go back to the 1970s, rock a terry cloth headband, whatever it takes, a bandana, I don't care, but that sweat does have oil. When you go down the shore, you definitely have oil, you're sweating, you've got oil. Another thing that people don't think about is when they're cooking. So when you're cooking, you have all that steam that comes up. You open up the oven, or if you're at the grill, summertime, I always see the singed lashes, and you will see that your lashes are bent like this, like a 90-degree angle at the tips, and that is from excessive steam. And so you want to be careful in the shower as well. If you're taking really hot showers, you will notice that your lashes will not last as long. The steam will also straighten them out, so you have this beautiful curl, and now it's flat. So the first thing you're going to do with Xtreme lashes, you're always going to use this. Now, I tell everybody this, and I give them all the information, but it doesn't register, that this is a 3-in-1 cleaner. You are going to clean your lashes with this, and I will show you. You are going to wash your whole entire face with this. This is now your face cleanser, and you are going to remove your makeup. So it comes in a spray bottle, which is kind of cool. So whatever works for you and however it works to preserve your lashes, spray it in your hands if you want to, and then you can go around like this on your face. Spray it on a washcloth, spray it on a cotton pad, whatever works. However, spray your face, it doesn't matter, it's totally fine. However you want to do that. Then that's how you're going to wash your face. It's a cleanser. Okay, then you're going to take these. I give everybody 2 of them when they start. I do sell them. They're amazing. You can use a Q-tip, but you really better wind it tight. That's so hard to say. Wind it tight to get that cotton so it doesn't pull your lashes out, because then it's a whole other mess. And I usually spray 2 of these. You want 2. You spray them. Let's pretend I sprayed them. Then you're going to put 1 in the back. I'm going to get really close. 1 in the back and then 1 in the front. And you're going to clean them. Just very gentle. This is not insanity here. Just like that. Okay. And then the other side, same thing. Just like that. Just gently wipe them. You're not pulling them. And this one just stabilizes, and then you just, very simple, especially if you sweat a lot. Then you can take these, the same thing, and then you're going to go wipe it across to get all of that eyeshadow off. Same thing, you're going to wipe it across to get that eyeshadow off, whatever you're doing. You don't want to use a flat cotton pad necessarily unless you really, really saturate it with water and cleanser, and you don't want to use a cotton ball. Okay, so these will become your best friends, definitely. Then, so now your face is clean, your makeup's clean, your lashes clean. Every day you need to be doing that. Then what you would also do, if you are someone that their lashes don't last as long because you're sweating, maybe you're doing hot yoga, maybe you swim a lot, whatever it is, or you feel you just want them to last longer, we are going to use the Extreme conditioner. The protective coating. Some people call it conditioner, protective coating, whatever works for you. So basically you just unscrew it. I like to tap a little bit off in there because it is just like liquidy. And you are going to brush your lashes. And I like to do the backs as well. So you can kind of get in there, brush the back, and then brush the front. And this is very gentle. You're not going to use a lot of it. If you use a lot, you don't want to get it in your eye. It is alcohol-based, so the alcohol dissolves the oil. That is great, and you can do that 3 times a week, depending. You don't want to do anything in the first 48 hours of getting your lashes. You just want to like be princess in the pea. No exercising, no heat, no steam, nothing like that. Then we have our Amplify, which is amazing. And this is a prostaglandin-free lash and brow growth serum. So on clean skin, you would go right along the lash line here to really build up nutrients. And then I usually go like along my brows as well to try and build those up. And the benefit of this and why you'd want to use this one over a lot of other ones is because, like I said, it is prostaglandin free, and prostaglandin is what damages your skin. It hyperpigments your skin. It turns your eyes a different color, and we definitely do not want any more darkness around the eyes, and it's just not great. I mean, it's used if you have glaucoma, which is what this is really used for with the prostaglandin, then you need it. But if not, why would you risk anything around your eyes? That just makes no sense whatsoever. So this is all botanicals, nutrients, and it feeds the follicle, feeding your face. And it's calorie free. You can feed your face. So those are my biggest tips and tricks on how to make your extreme lashes last. If you have any questions, please contact me. If you forget how to use something or if you need to order something, I can ship it to you, no problem. Just let me know, and happy lashing.